अब तो ऐसा लगता है चलो कभी अब हम भी निकल जाते हैं।
हम्म,
पीस हो जाएगा। वो the way we say it is जन्म मरण का भाव गया, मतलब
या
the भाव, you mean kind of fear goes away. Okay.
Okay, so I think my screen is visible to all of you. Okay. So good
Statistical
afternoon, everyone.
cosmology.
Okay.
So what is non-statistical cosmology?
The question paper is very difficult. It's called statistical cosmology.
Statistical.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So far we
Are you
have such.
recording?
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. So we should set the jokes aside.
Okay. So far we completed 3 sessions of this course. So today is the 4th one. All right.
He is talking as if he's a psychiatrist to treat us.
Okay, so in the last session we discussed the list, tuple, set and dictionary, and also further we discussed the vector and matrices. And in the matrices we discussed how to calculate the shape of a given matrix, and also we estimated we also learned the how to find the minimum or maximum value. Okay, and also we discussed that how do we estimate the rank, transpose, determinant, and all these value. And also we estimated the eigenvalue and eigenvectors for a given metric. Okay, and for a and also we learned that how to add or subtract these two matrices. And now in this session we are going to discuss the conditional loop and also some condition, if else condition, and also while and for loop we are going to discuss. And further we are going to discuss that how do we define the function using a keyword def, and also we can define the function using the lambda.
Lambda? I saw.
Lambda is a function, yes.
Yes.
Interesting.
So lambda is very interesting to define the function that we will discuss shortly.
ये तो
Okay.
डराने वाली बात है. हाँ.
No, it's very easy. Yeah. And also we will see that how we can find the maximum or minimum directly using some mathematical operation. And also we can to estimate the square root of any number, we will see how do we estimate. Okay. And finally we will learn how we can read or write or create any file. So this read and write file topic is very important, that we are going to use this topic. Okay. Yes.
Oh, that's
Okay. Sorry.
it's like taking back to the 80s, that particular font.
Okay.
वो था ना Back to the Future.
Yeah, Back to the Future. Yeah, the movie.
Yes.
Okay, so we will start from the if else condition. So before that, let's discuss that how in the first lecture we discussed how we can define the two number equals and not equal. We have to use this kind of symbol, and less than or equal to, greater than, and this kind. I think you remembered, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So
So now,
fast.
let me show you that how we can use the if else condition. Let's say a is equal to c. Then okay. Then you have to use this one and then put the.
Oh, automatically indent, is it? Yeah, because it gives if you don't indent it.
Yes. This is very important that we will do.
There are 4 spaces.
हाँ, but या स्पाइडर में टैब से अपने आप जितना जलना चल जाता है.
हाँ, वो कभी-कभी टैब काम नहीं करता एक्चुअली. सो
अच्छा.
इट्स एक्चुअली टैब के बजाय स्पेस दो वो बेटर है.
ओके.
हाँ, स्पाइडर जो कि पाइथन के लिए बना है, इट ऑटोमेटिकली वो स्पेस ही ऐड करता है.
Yeah.
बट
Yes. So let's say we wrote this script, and if I run this, so it will take some time.
Mayday. Google is down.
Okay. Yes. So now you can see that our command is executed, means B equal to
Okay.
this one. I mean this is true, and let's see if it is false, then it will.
Darshan, I
Yes,
don't know
yes.
whether it is just me or everyone else. I mean, your voice is sort of coming and going.
No, it's okay.
No?
I can
Okay, then
hear
it
some.
it must be mine. Okay,
Mhm.
it's
Okay.
No, Nidhi, are you sitting on a pendulum? So there is a Doppler periodic.
मेरे पास श्रेयस वो फ्रीक्वेंसी में होता है, इंटेंसिटी में नहीं.
नहीं, इंटेंसिटी भी होता है ना, because it's the energy is also proportional to frequency.
अच्छा, साउंड वेव के लिए भी.
So I was saying that before the print, this white space is very important. Okay. So let's say if I don't put any white space, then our command will not execute. Okay. So here you can see that there
Okay.
is an error of expected as indented block. Okay.
Darshan,
Yes.
now that equal to check now.
Acha, okay.
Now, of course, that equal to check can be done only in integer mode, right?
Integer, you mean
नहीं,
here?
नहीं.
We can check
I mean,
any.
what I'm saying is if it is floating point, then it's very dangerous to ask for equal to, right?
Oh, yeah. Better convert everything to
Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that, I mean, when I say A equal, I mean, like in Fortran, you have A equal to 5 and A equal to 5 point are two different things.
Okay.
Right.
Is this also
Okay.
same thing here?
Okay. Let me check this. I didn't try it, but
हाँ यही कर दे यार, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं.
okay.
We won't see if it runs.
It's working. Yes.
क्वांटिटी ले रहा है उसको. Actually, I'll tell you why. No.
हाँ.
Yeah, now you take it.
No, but still it taking
Yeah.
But I mean, unless you are doing with an integer, one should not use this equal to, right? Because
No, you
any
need to be careful.
smallest
So it
machine
can
error
give you
can make it
garbage.
not equal to.
Yeah. Of course.
Okay.
When you are comparing two variables, it's necessary that they should be apples and oranges.
No.
It
I'm
should
not
have the same
saying that.
type.
I'm not saying that. Suppose you have calculated a particular parameter by two different methods. Then to check if they are the same, you cannot use equal to if you are using floating point.
But for the equal, we have to put 2 times, na, sis?
No. What I am trying to say is, in a floating point, you have to say that the difference is within some tolerance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, because after any computation, you will never have the exact.
Exactly. There will be some
There
machine
will be
error or
some
something,
floating.
some
10 power
nth
minus 8
decimal
or
place, there
something.
may be some difference. Yeah.
I mean, that is basically easy to define. You just do absolute A minus
Okay.
B less than some epsilon.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you just do A minus B less than some epsilon.
Okay.
And P dot apps. यहाँ पे वो डाल सकते हो.
Okay. So I think you got the point that we have to put the white space. So basically with the enter, it will automatically make the white space, required white space before the print. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. So sometime when we do copy of a code from another source, then it will create problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now let's story never copy. Okay.
So now let's say now further we will use the if else condition. Okay, let's say now that if
another thing is if you want someone not to copy your code and you are posting it on GitHub, ऐसा करके डाल दो, वो ढूंढता रहेगा कहाँ पे error. So the person will have to go through the code.
You just put a small error and say there is an error, check with me for getting it.
ये लोग करते हैं ऐसे, I can tell you. It's
smaller or equal to?
Oh, okay. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ah.
Okay. So now let's say if I have to use the three condition, means I have to compare the three condition, but in the if else condition I can compare only the two condition, right? But
Yes.
now for the
Oh, nested
three
if. Okay.
then we will use elf. Let's say a is equal to 4. Sorry.
Is it? I mean, is it on purpose or mistake? Elif.
No,
No,
it's
no,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
purple else if
Else. Okay.
concatenated.
Hmm. But we can see says let's say if there is error, then this color na you can see the different color of ELIF.
Oh, so Elif is the right
Hmm.
syntax, is it?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So here you can see. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say I put the 4. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 4. Then
Hmm.
this elf condition will be executed. Okay. So now this elf is used for elf is used to compare the more than two condition 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay,
Okay.
I think so. Yes.
You
So
can't have I mean, and or inside the if, is it? I mean, in a single statement.
yeah, you can. A if A is greater than B and is A is, yeah, you can put it.
yes.
Oh, okay.
तो just else if मतलब cases दिखाने के लिए just like ये case होता है ना case this.
Yes. So now for this condition you can see that we wrote around 5 to 7 line code. Okay.
Yes.
So
Yes.
now when we can use a single line if statement like this one. Let's say a is equal to b is equal to 5. Okay. So for this one you can also use 4 and 6.
Oh, I
Okay.
see.
Okay.
Okay.
So now print. Let's say condition first is a.
Oh.
So here you can see that our this condition is executed. No, means if this a is greater than b, then it will the print a. Okay, I can change this
Mm-hmm.
like this. Yes. So this is just a single line code. Okay.
Okay. No, this is where I was asking.
Hmm.
No, the specifically, suppose I have B equal to 5
Okay.
and C equal to 6, and I want to know if A is between them. Can I have a statement like if A greater than B and
Yes,
C?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, let me. I think I don't remember, but I'll try.
What do you want to know?
Mm,
If A is between B and C.
Yeah.
like this one.
Yeah.
this kind of a thing. And
Yes. I think it will work. If A is
then just say print. I mean, I just want to see the basic thing first.
Yeah.
Okay.
means we
It
can
will
play.
work.
Yes, we can
Good.
use.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, you could also put them in round brackets, just for syntax purposes.
Okay, so I think if else condition is clear to all. So now let's move to while loop. So let's say so basically while loop is used to execute a block of statement repeatedly till a given condition. It will execute as long as
While, okay.
same C command. C like. So now, and we also break the while loop.
Darshan, actually, Nidhi is right. Your voice is, sort of going up and down.
Okay, so now it's clear, I think, no?
Now it's clear, yes.
Okay. So now let's say we want to break a while loop as we apply any condition. Okay, means break statement. Okay. So let me show you how we can use. So basically the idea of this command is like that, how we can use the if and while loop in a single code. Okay.
Now, when you break it, where does the pointer go next? Outside the while loop or the next sentence? Next.
Oh, no, it will break.
No.
It will
Okay,
completely
it will
outside.
just immediately break it, no? Just after the if condition.
No. So what I am asking is, you have put while I less than 5, if I equal to 3 break. Now, when it breaks, does it only come out of the if loop or will it come out of the while loop also?
While loop,
yes. Okay.
Not just if loop. Okay.
You could also do while true and run something endlessly.
Okay.
While
because you have put a Boolean variable there.
Exactly. While true or while 1.
Okay.
1 is also true. So while 0 and 1. That is used to run the apps. Suppose you have made an app, web app or something like that. Or app has to run always, right? Until you press the cross sign on top. Let's say browser ऊपर X लगा हुआ है. The app is always running. So that is while true. So it is in everything is in while true until you press something like a X button or something on a keyboard to exit the app.
Darshan, I want to see one thing that I want to see. Suppose while runs from some range, and suppose in that range for 2 values of the variable I, an if statement is satisfied. I want to see whether the break brings it out of the while loop or goes into the next loop of the while. Okay, let me put it this way. If I say if I equals 3 or I equals 6, and
so,
then we put while less than 10.
Okay, you mean you want to put a 2 if condition in a single while loop, right? Says.
Yeah, so I want, because there's a specific reason. See, what I'm saying is, suppose I write here.
Yeah, so it has to be true. Both things has to be true. If
No, that's not what I'm asking. See, suppose suppose I say or I equal to 5.
यहाँ पे डाल दे एक बार.
Okay.
3 के बाद. I equal to 3 के बाद.
एक if condition ना?
नहीं
उसी में
If
और
I equal to 3 or
I equal 6
I equal 6
and make that
ऊपर
I less
do
than
it
10.
हाँ I
Okay.
less than so
I less than 10. Now I want to know whether it will print I equal to 4 or not. 4 and 5.
Okay.
Because I want to see whether
breaks.
so it does not.
whenever the first it breaks.
So it actually takes it out of the while loop, not just the if loop.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm also doing just playing around with this thing. So what I have done, Darshan, can you just follow me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you write I less than 50?
Less than 50.
Yes.
Okay.
And equal to 30.
30.
ये और हटा दो.
Okay.
And I plus 7.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Now run it.
okay?
Acha.
So
1
like
8.
break is not working here, right?
Oh, because I never. No. Yeah. So it
Reach
is.
to this point, right? That is why.
Yeah. Because it is not less than or greater than. It is equal to. So it is skipping that point.
Yes.
Right.
See, suppose we had put I equal to 22.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Or we can use just less than equal to, right?
Yes.
Aha. Python is fun.
Oh, it is super.
A real one?
So something is missing here. I mean,
If I is less than 30, then why is it? Yeah. So what is
It is
happening?
always break यार वो तो नीचे ही है ना
No, that's okay. It first comes to prints 1, finds that I
then
is
it
less
is
than 30,
30
breaks
break
it.
खत्म.
Yeah.
no, but what should be the right? Like if I just want to print everything which is less than 30
Greater
and break
than.
it off.
After it is greater than 30, then you break it. Or greater than or equal to 30, you break it. Not less than 30. I mean, if it is less than 30, you want to continue printing, right? 1, 8,
Yes.
15, 22.
When while doing this greater thing, greater than 30, there is one number which is greater than 30. It will be printed.
Yes, because the print statement is coming
Because
before.
yes.
Print बाद में लिखो.
Okay. हाँ. Right. Got it.
Okay. So now let's move in the for loop. So this for loop is very important, and we are going to follow only this loop. Okay. In our program.
You guys.
Your voice was again lost.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Hey, if Madhavan
Now
was
it's fine.
here, he will say for loop quantum gravity.
Okay. So now let me show you how we can use the for loop in our programming. So now let me define a string like this one.
अब डरा रहा है Greek alphabet डाल के.
And I would say use for loops the least in your program.
अरे नहीं यार, for loop is fun यार. This much.
नहीं. It is very expensive.
Is it?
So there are ways to do things without using for loop in Python.
I see.
Explore all of them. बहुत necessary हो उसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Then you use a for loop.
What is the issue with for loop?
Okay, the issue with for loop is that it does everything sequentially. Whereas most of the time you are working with arrays, you want to do things in parallel. So there are already inbuilt things in NumPy that would do things in parallel. It is optimized already. So don't use for.
Okay.
But without for loop, we cannot do much work.
So
You can.
Yes.
You will actually try to find out. You will actually able to do almost everything without for loop, except when there is something which you really need to run in sequence in C. most of the time we are working with linear algebra, which are matrices, and they all can be done without for loops.
Supreet, you can say by far very expensive.
Why? Yeah.
Okay,
I
so
mean,
now
there is one way. Sorry. Yeah.
yes,
Go on.
yes, Supreet.
Yeah. I mean, there is one place where you do use a for, and that is when it comes inside a list. Let's say you are making a list, so you will use a square bracket, any element for something in something, and with if statements. That is fast because that is again optimized. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, Darshan, I'm not
Yes.
able to resist my temptation. See, when you're writing it up, you can put the heading as, instead of saying so far so good, no for so good.
Okay. Okay, so now here you can see that if I use a single for loop in a list, let's say alpha b, then it will print all the item of a given list. Okay, so now let's say I want to exit a loop uh, before a particular entry. Okay, so I mean that we can use a if condition in a given for loop like this one.
I mean, for X in alpha B, I mean, where is X? Why did
Yes.
it print?
Oh, because X is element.
X is a variable, says we can use anything means.
No.
Huh.
See, yeah. But the point is, then what is the purpose of this? I mean,
X is the element of the list. See, alpha is a list. X is for anything.
Number of.
So that is why in standard.
Sorry. It is for X, not if X. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So people use in normal, it's now become a standard. You use what is called EL for EL in something list. EL means element. And then there is every list comes with two things: element like apple, boy, cat. These are elements, and then there's an ID. Apple is 0, boy is 1, cat is 2.
Okay. But that will. Okay, that is because if it is an ordered thing. Yeah. Okay.
It is an ordered. Yeah,
It's
I mean,
ordered.
yeah.
Okay,
So they have an ID. So you can catch both of them by using enumerate.
So I mean, you're basically saying that it's an array and you're giving the index of the array.
Index. Yes, that is.
So this is the way that how we can exit the loop when X is a boy. Okay. So here you can see that we can break a for loop as per our condition.
Darshan, can you add here this thing very quickly? So for instead of X, write X comma Y.
X comma Y.
No, rather rather write ID X comma Y in np dot enumerate.
np dot
Enumerate. Enumerate.
num.
No. पहले E आएगा. Enumerate. Yes. Enumerate. इसमें डाल दे कर round brackets alpha. ऊपर np defined है ना?
नहीं. Now I to define.
Oh, I thought import numpy as np. Okay. Print x comma y.
Okay.
क्या हो गया भाई?
Spell
numpy as np नहीं किया क्या ऊपर एक
पीछे कौन बोल रहा है यार?
कौन? वेदेश्वर सर. वेदेश्वर सर.
वेदेश्वर? कहाँ?
Spells.
Oh, you are in that 64 room number. Okay.
ND I think.
नहीं. Enumerate normal वाला है. Enumerate. Why is it not working? Wait a second. For x, y in np.enumerate PO. स्पेलिंग ठीक है क्या? नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक कैपिटल नहीं है, स्मॉल ही है.
Sorry, Supreet. Yes.
Just a second. Let me see the error.
Okay.
And NumPy has no attribute. Wait a minute. Okay, just a second. नहीं, NumPy में है attribute यार. एक मिनट.
The best way is just go to Google.
हाँ, just do question mark कर लो. हाँ.
Okay.
NP गूगल वाले NumPy में कुछ इशू है क्या? I think. Okay. Just do question mark np.enumerate. वो रन किया वैसे ऊपर वाला?
हाँ, ये वाला ना किया है. Yes. Now let's see ना.
बेसिक फंक्शन है तो होना चाहिए. Strange. Just a sec.
Okay.
एक मिनट.
Okay, sure.
Let me do. Oh, okay. You don't need NP. Just remove .n. Remove ऐसे ही चले.
Okay.
Sorry. I will work. Yeah.
Yes. But it print all the condition, na?
If x is equal boy. Okay. I know why. Wait a minute. Why did it print all of them?
I think the condition.
Oh, right. I know.
That
Because
if
x. No. Okay. Sorry.
X equal
to ID. X
Yes,
is ID.
it
Y
should be.
is. So you put y is equal to boy instead of.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So usually it is ID, comma en. So that is why that is used. Instead of x, you would use IDX. That is the standard norm, and you use y की जगह you use en element.
Okay. Yes.
Actually, वो लिख देगा ना, it's better because people would use something XY, so it's good to follow norms.
So it is not. I mean, unlike usually you say VI, this is more of IV. The first the index. And
yes, first the index.
Name,
Yes.
Name of the vector.
Yeah. No, there are a lot of. I mean, you can use anything, but there's a certain norm which has been set. There's also another variable called self, which is used in classes, and so वो भी एक norm है. मतलब you could use anything else. You could use Supreet instead of that, but people use that word called self. तो वो सब जगह use होता है. Now people know what that means.
No. What I am trying to say is, it is always written as enumerate as a function of the vector, not vector as a function of the index.
Sorry?
I mean, see, normally I would have said VI, that is vector as a function of the index, component of the ith component.
Oh, अच्छा. नहीं. ये just
here it is first giving the index and then saying of which vector.
So basically, enumerate is making another list which has two things, x and y. So that is what is going on.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay.
And also we can define the for loop using a given range like this one. Let's say for x in range.
Range 5?
So it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 says.
Range is an iterator.
Yes.
Basically.
Wait a minute. How does it know that it has to be an integer?
It's an iterator. It's not a function. It's an iterator which iterates from 0 to 5.
I see.
Yes. And let's say I want to run this x between 2 and 5, then it will print the 2, 3, 4.
Ah.
Okay.
So if you do type range, it will give you an iterator.
No, suppose I say x 2.1 and 5.3.
Okay, so
What
it's
will it do?
2.1 and
No,
we
I
can do
don't
na?
think.
Yes.
I think
JK
you
Bangalore.
can, but no, I don't think it will work. No, float cannot. It only takes integer.
Ah, okay.
Okay. But says we can like this one.
हाँ वो कर सकते हो, skip कर सकते हो, yes.
Means increment of 1.1.
Yes.
Okay.
नहीं 0.1 नहीं, वो लिन स्पेस में जाएगा. रेंज में
Okay.
I think इंटीजर ही रहेगा. You will have to give integer.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yes.
Because range is specific. It's called. It's not a function. It's an iterator.
Okay.
Oh. Acha, okay. So range is reserved for the iteration
Integer.
index.
Yeah. There are a lot of things because range के क्या होता है कि so you can actually define a list np.arange करके होता है. With an iterator, what it does is it does not keep anything in the memory. It only keeps the previous value and the current value. उससे आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं रखता.
Acha, okay.
So that's the use.
Okay. I see. Okay. Okay.
Okay. And also we can define a nested loop. Nested means multiple for loop. Okay. So for this one, let's say I define alpha.
Darshan,
Yes.
is there anything specific about taking the name of the list to be alpha B? I mean, you can take
No.
anything.
You can use like this one. Let's say Nidhi. We can like yes.
No, I mean you were just so specific about
The
alphabet.
alpha
That's why
means
I asked.
alphabets, na? Alphabets A B C D.
Okay.
Yes. So now we have to use Nidhi instead of alpha. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So this is just like a C command. Na? In the C language, we are using the same like of command. Similarly, in the Python, it's just similar. We just define the to list before the for loop and just use the to for loop. Means the inner loop will execute one time for each iteration of the outer loop. Okay. So you can see that the first in the first list this apple is executed, and then the whole inner loop will be executed. Okay. And then increment like, and this kind of we can say that nested loop. Okay. So far we defined we discussed the conditions, means if else condition, and then we use the for and while loop. Okay. So in the further programming we are going to use only the for loop. So if some people didn't understand now, that we can discuss further. Okay.
Oh, there's another loop thing in Python. Darshan.
Which one?
Try, except, finally.
Okay, I'm not aware about this one, Suprit. Yes, you may share, Suprit. Yes.
Darshan, just one more thing about this nested loop.
Okay.
I mean, what kind of output is this? I mean, is it a string or is it a combination of two lists?
Okay, it depends on a predefined this one list, that these are the string Nidhi and fruits, right? So
Right.
output must be the same as we define in the
So I
list.
understand that it is taking the permutation combination of all the
Right.
apple to banana, then apple to I mean the first element of the first list to the all the elements of the second list and so
Right.
on, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what kind of output is this? Like, is it a list? Like, can I write apple banana of the output of the first as the two elements of the same thing, or it is just a string? I
It's
mean, let's
just
say the
string, I
apple
think.
banana, the first thing. I
Hmm.
also assume so. I mean, it would be
Yeah,
read,
yeah.
but
So
if
I
it
think
would be a
we define
string,
the string, then
wait.
output must be the string.
No,
Yeah.
if it would be a string, na, then there should not be any space. That's what I guess.
What?
Mm,
Sorry, kya? I didn't
Bec-
get. What is it?
my question is about the output of the this nested loop.
Uh-huh.
Let's say the first element is apple banana. Is
Uh-huh.
it the element of a list like apple comma banana, like two different two elements of the single list like apple and banana, or
No, no, no,
is
no,
it
no.
like a
It's
array,
just iterating over the
or
two
is it
lists.
like a simple string?
It's a simple string.
hmm.
So it
No,
will
that
make
I
all
understand.
possible
I mean, I
combinations.
understand how they are combining the two lists. That I
Uh,
understand. But my
Huh.
question is, am I able to read the all the elements at like different elements of the same array, or it is just a single string? Like, I think
So are
I'm
you
not able
saying
to
that
clear my question.
can I cross two of them? I mean, within the same thing.
No.
नहीं,
How would you
ये तो
read
tuple
the?
बना
How
रहा
would you read? How would you read the first element of the output?
है नहीं, I didn't get.
I
It
mean,
depends on the game predefined this list. Na? Here I define the now the
Darshan, this is
list
not my
means
question.
array.
I understand
Okay.
how it is working. I
Okay.
understand how it is working. And understand that it is taking the first element, 1 and
Hmm.
6, then 1 and 7, 1 and 8. My question
Okay.
is, you are printing x comma y.
Hmm. Hmm.
Seems like within the parenthesis. It should
Okay.
be like a uh, like element of a two-dimensional array, right?
Right.
But
Right.
the output, what
No,
I
no, no, no. It's
understand,
not
is
an array.
not
Mm,
a
It's not an array. These are
yes,
variables. Two different
yes.
variables.
okay.
No, I'm talking
no,
about the array
no.
output
These
of
are
the
ordered pairs.
No, 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 no.
these are not ordered pair. That is my point. These are not
They
ordered
are
pair.
ordered pairs, right?
print के अंदर जो x and y है, x, y are variables. There is no tuple. It's not a. They don't think of the parentheses as a tuple. That is just the nature of the print command.
No, no, no. What I'm asking is, I mean, it is, I mean, it is an ordered pair, right? I mean,
No.
no, the,
I understand. What I understand is this is just a string. I mean, 1 space 6. It should
No,
be
no,
read as a single thing.
no, it's not single. These are two separate. It's just it's printed in that way. You
oh,
can
I
print it in many
see.
different ways you want.
So
It is
can
not.
I read this like 2
No,
6
no, no,
as
no.
Oh,
No,
so,
you're not supposed to.
okay,
This is
okay,
just
okay.
printing for the user to see. It is not. There's no
Okay,
type here.
so let me put it this way. It does not represent a two-dimensional vector or a complex number.
no.
Yeah.
No, no, nothing. There's
Okay,
no
fine.
representation
That,
whatsoever.
yeah.
So my next question is, can I use this output anywhere? I don't think so.
Yes, you can. There is way to.
Both are in.
I think there is a way to use the output if you want to.
Because if
And then
I'm
yes,
able to read the output,
no, no, you
uh,
can use it. The but it's not. I mean, so better way to if you want something like that, you don't want to print it. You want to put it in an array or
save
something.
it in any other list, right?
Exactly, exactly,
Hmm.
And
exactly.
then use it.
Yeah,
So it
yeah.
is just like, I mean, if I'm not wrong, if I say that I'm just trying to combine the two lists into a
Yeah.
single list, not array.
You can use concatenate here. np.concatenate
Ha,
x
right.
comma y.
No, no,
Concatenate.
Nidhi. So what is being said is, I mean, you have a set of boxes, you have a set of sweets, and you have just arranged them on the table. That's all. I mean, the box and the sweet
That's
don't form one entity.
that's fine.
Huh.
That's fine. My further question is that am I able to utilize
Ah,
these outputs for further you know,
What you are asking
for the
is,
process.
can I take two elements of that and
That
use
is my
them as
question.
values
Exactly.
and
Exactly.
values in something? Okay.
Exactly.
I'm not sure. Okay,
Okay.
Darshan, try this something.
Hmm.
Set C is equal to print something. Print को no, I don't think it will work.
Z equal to x plus y.
No, यहाँ पे लिखा C
नहीं
is equal
नहीं,
to print.
x plus y will be different. It
No,
will
it won't work. It won't work. थोड़ी देर अंदर नहीं होगा.
Hmm.
नहीं,
हाँ,
this
नहीं
will
होगा,
not
नहीं.
work.
Okay, it does. It worked. Wait, now print C.
एक सेकंड.
अच्छा, प्रिंट को क्यों प्रिंट कर, मतलब सेव करना किसी ने?
3 8.
हाँ,
ये क्या हो रहा है?
this is weird.
No, it's not weird.
Yeah,
It's just
it's
It's
taking
not
the
weird. It's
final
the
out.
हमारे
last
ऊपर.
final thing.
Hmm. So for this one, we have to define like this one.
Then it will become an array. Then we can use it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Then we have to put a loop on I
Yes,
of a
on I, and it
length
is
of this
coming.
nidhi or fruit. Yes.
Yes.
Length
yes,
of Didi. That's very short. Okay.
Yes. Nidhi, you can use actually. Yes.
अच्छा, इसको तो नहीं, तो
Now we
ये
can
यूज करने
use
की
it
जरूरत
now,
नहीं.
but earlier we'll not be
No,
able to
no.
use it. I mean, that
Yes,
would,
yes.
when we have just given the print command, it was just to see the user what kind of elements there are in the two kind of list. I mean, of course, if it would be a very lengthy list, right?
Hey,
हाँ,
so
but तब प्रिंट भी
Just to
करोगे ना तो
compare the
इतना
two
बड़ा.
things.
hmm.
हाँ, I mean, फिर भी just to have a guess what kind of elements there are in the two kind of
पंगे लेने के लिए basically.
पंगे लेने के लिए.
But there is one function which you can use if you want to combine it. It is wait. Now you see, अगर ये करना है तो you need two for loops. But there is a faster way. That is to use a function called zip.
Zip.
So this, if you do np.zip nidhi comma fruits, it will do it. You can try. np.zip. Oh no, not, you don't need np. Just zip. Zip nidhi comma fruit. Okay. Now it gives you that. Why? Because again, zip is an iterator. So you specify it. No. Go back. So just do square bracket here. यहाँ पे square bracket डाल end वाला. सिर्फ end वाला. Now
Okay.
go back. यार इसको मतलब ये ब्रैकेट को घटाना
Parenthesis
है.
को हटा के square bracket करना, right?
सिर्फ एक ही, सिर्फ end वाला. मतलब you have to put square zip in the square brackets.
Okay.
नहीं. ये वो round bracket ठीक था. Wish I had more control over this. मतलब मैं कह रहा हूँ zip को square bracket में डाल दे पूरे को.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay. Now you write for el, write el. इसके
Here?
अंदर हाँ इस just cancel square bracket
Okay.
के बाद.
Okay.
Z से पहले el element el
हाँ.
for space for el again el in zip.
Okay.
That's it. कर this. Cool.
Yes. Nice.
So this is faster.
Now
And you
we
can
can order pairs.
you can run it, time it for a very long list. You'll see that this will be faster than the two for loops.
Okay. So now so now let's move on the second topic, that is function. How do we define the function? So for this one we have to use a keyword called def.
Next time Darshan try वाला भी लेके आइयो. Try except finally.
अच्छा, try except, let me write this one.
You can write it. It's a very cool thing. Again, something that
Okay.
should be used. Try except finally. In fact, that should be used in opening and closing files.
Okay. So I define a function called my underscore fun. Then this print command will be saved in a function called my underscore function. So
Okay.
now let's print this one. So here you can see that hey there you can define, and also we can define like this one.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's say I define this. So output will be 9, means this
Great.
x will be replaced by the 4, and then
Okay.
it will give the output as 4 plus 5. Okay.
Darshan, can you do one thing?
Yes.
जो ऊपर comment है ना, that now use the return statement. Can you put
Yes.
it inside def?
अच्छा ओके हाँ yes yes. बल्कि ये नेक्स्ट कमांड में मुझे डिफाइन करना था वैसे, बट लेट मी डिफाइन नाउ. ओके yes.
Yeah. You can use question mark.
Acha, I can have more than one variable, right, for my function?
हाँ yes let's say
as many as you want.
Yes.
Then there are these special variables called args and quarks.
14 yes.
Okay.
So if you do question mark my function,
Okay, question mark
my fun, just shift enter.
Okay.
ये देखो.
Okay.
So it tells you, it makes you a documentation
Okay.
for your function automatically. ये क्या क्या करते हैं.
Nice.
So whatever you write in comments goes there in docstring.
Okay. And also we can define this function using the lambda also. Then first let me show you that how we can use the lambda. Okay. Here you can see that this
ये lambda कहाँ से पकड़ लिया मैंने? Function में समझ रहा हूँ.
yes.
This is a quick way to define a function. Actually, it has a lot of use.
I mean, why not beta? No, like that's why I'm asking. Okay.
So here yes.
So you see what has happened here. Yeah.
So here we can see that this there is two variable, no? X and a. This a is replaced by 1, so this 1 will go here and it will give the output as 6. So I mean that there is no need to define the def for a and x. Okay, so for example, let's say we have 3 variable x is 0.
दर्शन आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड क्या किया इसने.
X. So here in this one there are one variable is a. Okay. So means this a plus 5 is directly returned into the x, and we define a is equal to 1, then it will give 1 plus 5 is equal to 6.
Achha, can I say something? So basically it means x equal to lambda space argument colon result.
Exactly. The function.
Yes.
The result of the function. Yeah.
So I mean, is lambda is doing everything? I mean,
yeah. Lambda is okay. That's why I was asking what is this lambda. It's not. I thought
so
it was a variable.
So is it like a inbuilt library in Python?
It's an inbuilt function.
Yeah.
Function.
So here
you say fu a function. Just as you say def, it's a lambda.
Yes.
So what it does, it just I don't really understand what
it defines a function. It has said that x is a function of
I mean,
a
instead
single
of
variable A.
writing whole def and function
Yeah.
Ah,
name and
yes,
its
yes.
variable, just say lambda. It will just automatically define.
Yeah.
Means it will automatically return a plus 5 into x. There is no need to specially define a return a plus 5, and first we define the def x like
So
this one.
let me just say it in layman terms.
Hmm.
X equal to lambda space
Hmm.
a colon a plus 5 is nothing
Hmm.
but y equal to x plus 5.
Y is equal to x plus 5. Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Sorry, or x is equal to a plus 5.
Yeah, that's more appropriate.
But it is useful in various places where you don't want to define a big function. You want to do a very small um, uh, sort of, again, a small computation, in the sense that the manipulation करना है, जैसे, so even it can manipulate list and file names. There it is useful. Where the flow would, you still want the same. I mean, when you define functions, the functions are defined away from the main program.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Right.
the
Can be part of the thing itself.
Python way is you first define the parameters, then you define the functions, then you define
And
the
then
main
call the
body.
function.
Exactly.
Right. Right. So all those things have been taken care in lambda, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So lambda is, you don't want to interrupt the flow in some way.
So is it just a local thing or can be used globally?
It's a local thing.
Right. Okay.
Local, in the sense, it's, if you define it in the main body of the program, it will be there in the main body of the program.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
It's basically made to make it more object oriented. You don't have to really look for.
Right.
So similarly for the more than two single
Okay.
variable we
So
can
it takes
define.
the argument, gives you the return.
Yes. So I mean that
Hey, I'm getting greedy. So
uh,
can I have something like x comma y ABC colon a minus b minus c comma a square plus b square plus c square?
क्या बोले?
I mean, in a
Then there
single
should
line,
be two
define
lambdas,
two
right?
functions.
नहीं,
I'm
नहीं,
There
I
getting
should be
didn't
two
greedy.
get it.
lambdas.
A comma B comma C, and then
No, so instead of x, I define two functions x comma y equal to lambda
okay.
a comma b comma c
Hmm.
colon a
Okay.
minus b minus c comma a square plus b square plus c square. That is, x takes the value of a minus b minus c and y takes the value of a square plus b square plus c square.
check it out. I've never used this.
Okay. Let me perform this. I don't know.
Yeah, and then yeah.
Yes.
Shesh is like Chacha Chaudhary.
या हाँ वही कर दे ठीक है हाँ जो भी है
Dubai 851.
हाँ एक हाँ वो ठीक है
No.
नहीं 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 नहीं
Oh.
Wait.
It's,
Yeah, it only takes only one.
only one variable it takes. Okay.
Don't you think there should be two lambdas in this case?
No. Then we will Oh, I see. You mean to say lambda comma lambda 2? No, but lambda is a set function here. It's not a variable name. You can't just change it.
That I understand, but just take
So
a hint. I mean, there should be two
Yeah.
kinds of
So
lambda.
in which case, you have to write two different statements. X equal to lambda this one, y equal to lambda something, and then you can print it.
no, sis, it's still not working.
No.
I
think it will not. You have to put two different statements,
Okay.
each having lambda.
नहीं, two different statement भी put करके
lambda.
फिर-
Okay, wait a minute. Yes, put lambda there. Yeah, put two. You can put two different lambdas. Then it will work. Then it will certainly work. Lambda A comma B comma C. Colon.
Oh.
Okay. It
But-
should.
Yes.
Oh, yes. See?
Yes.
So lambda is not a variable, but you can use many times.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, good. Yeah, nice.
Yes.
Lambda is always
Yeah,
a
lambda is not a variable. Lambda is
cosmological constant. Okay.
Yes,
cosmological constant. Exactly.
that's why we are doing cosmology and
Yes,
lambda.
yes.
And also we can define a function using both def and lambda, like this one.
Acha, Darshan, I will decouple. I have to make a phone call.
Okay, sure, sis.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, this is cute.
Hmm.
What you are doing? Yes.
Yes. So this is the power of lambda, that we don't define the multiple def for a many variable. Means it just automatically return into a. Here you can see na two variables a and x. So first it return into p that this my function 5 will take means 5 plus a, and now I supply the a is equal to 10.
Yeah.
Yes.
Darshan, can you just go back to the 2 lambda thing? I think I just made some syntax error.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Done. There was comma missing.
Okay. Okay. So now okay first. So अभी तक time हो गया. So I think we can continue in the next session rest of the topic. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. So we so far we
Oh,
discussed
yeah,
the
yeah,
two
he's late.
for loop and while loop, and also one condition is if else condition, and also we define the function using the def and lambda. Okay.
Right.
Okay.